HawkWatch International is a nonprofit conservation organization, and our job is to monitor and protect birds of prey. And we do that through scientific research and education. We spend lots of time at community centers and classrooms teaching kids about why not only the environment, but also why birds of prey are important. Goose is our newest bird. She's a young female peregrine falcon, and she was found on the ground. She was wearing anklets and jesses, so our guess is that she somehow managed to escape from her owner. Peregrine falcons are famous for being the fastest animals on Earth. They've been monitored or measured going over 240 miles an hour in a dive. Cloris is a red-tailed hawk. He's in his early 20s. Our best guess is he's about 25 years old, and he collided with a barbed wire fence. And because of that collision, part of his left wing had to be amputated, so he no longer flies. So he'll live with us here at HawkWatch for the rest of his life. And if you notice, he does what we call a rouse, where he'll puff up all of his feathers, and basically he's just getting comfortable and relaxing. Alaska is a male Swainson's hawk. He's in his early 20s, and he was shot in northern Utah. He lost part of his left wing as a result of his injury, and so he'll be living with us for the rest of his life. These guys are often called grasshopper hawks because they like to get down on the ground and actually chase after and eat grasshoppers. And so you'll commonly find them in open agricultural areas, even following after farmers as they're tilling up their land, eating all the grasshoppers. Katori is a 6-year-old male great horned owl, and he lives with us at HawkWatch because he's a human imprint. So someone found him as a baby and thought that he was injured and took him to a rehabilitator. And essentially he was fine, but he developed an eye infection while he was there and had to be hand-fed and medicated by humans. And so instead of learning how to be an owl, he imprinted on humans. So he basically depends on us for all of his care and feeding. So he'll be with us forever. Artemis is a young female western screech owl. This is her full size, so this is as large as she'll get, which is always surprising to people. They think she should be bigger. Artemis was hit by a car and injured her right eye, and so basically she has what we call a non-responsive pupil, which means she can't focus, and so the vet felt that that would interfere with her ability to hunt, so she'll live with us forever now. We'll take care of her. Yaki's a female American kestrel who came to us because she had a broken wing that had healed, and so she can no longer fly. She's at least 13 years old, and American kestrels are the smallest falcons in North America. Raptors have the ability to be incredibly focused while they're hunting, and so if you notice, she holds her head perfectly still while the rest of her body is moving. And this is an adaptation that allows them to maintain focus on whatever it is they're trying to catch.